In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create countdown timer in Canva. Whether you are running a class activity, pacing a workshop, or simply giving your audience a quick break, a clear on-screen timer keeps everyone on track without leaving your presentation. Start by opening your presentation design in Canva. Make sure you are ready to present, with the slides you want to use already arranged. When you enter full-screen presentation mode, you can trigger an instant countdown with a single keystroke. On your keyboard, press any number from 1 through 9 to start a timer for that many minutes. For example, press 5 to begin a 5-minute countdown right away. This shortcut is the fastest way to get a timer running during a live session. And it's especially helpful if you need to react in the moment, like giving a quick 2-minute think, pair, share, or a short stretch break. If the timer doesn't start, double-check that you are indeed in full-screen presentation mode and that the presentation window is active before pressing the number key. If you prefer to set things up more deliberately, use the toolbar option. Look for the timer icon in the bottom corner of the editor or presenter view. Click it. Set your desired time and hit play. This method is ideal when you want to confirm the exact duration before you begin. And it keeps the control front and center, so you can pause or adjust confidently while presenting. Because you are setting it from the interface, it's easier to preview the look and placement of the countdown on your slide, making sure it's visible without covering key content. You also have a few helpful customization options to keep the room engaged and your timing flexible. You can add music to set the tone. Choose a focus track when you want quiet concentration, or an upbeat track to energize the room during a quick break. During the countdown, you can add 1 minute if you need a bit more time, which is perfect when a discussion runs long or a task needs a final moment to wrap up. And if you want to start fresh, use the reset option to return the timer to its beginning and play it again. With these simple controls, Canva's built-in timer lets you stay in the flow of your presentation while managing time visibly and confidently. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.